Hey, it's Miss Hake back again. We are already on the number 9. Can you show me 9? Put up your fingers. How many fingers do we need? 9. What does that look like? I know one hand is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sometimes that's hard for Miss Hake to hold up, so I'm going to switch it. Boom. So 5 and 4 all together is 9. 9. How many numbers away are we from creating 10? Did you say 1? Yeah, one more number left, and we have used all the fingers on our hands. 9. So we're going to create our 9 info board today to go with all the other numbers we created. Jack Hartman gave us some great ideas on how we can show the 9 in many ways. And then the number blocks gave me some good ideas. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our piece of paper like we normally do. And we are going to write the number 9 in the middle. So around and down. There's 9. It almost looks like, what letter does it look like to you? Maybe a P, maybe a Q. Yeah, then we're going to write the word 9 in no. And so down and around, up and dot, down and around, over and around. 9. How do you show the number 9? Well, Miss Hake always likes looking at dice. So let's just pretend that's one of our hands, right? We needed 2 hands to show 9. So 5, and then what was on the other hand? 4. So 5 and 4 make 9. So I'm going to get that drawn on my sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 4 is 9. Now, is there another way to show 9? Let's flip it over to 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope. Let's move it down to see if 6 and 3 will make 9. 6, 7, 8. We did it. So now another way to show 9 on some dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. Amazing! Look at that. All right. Let's do some tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door is 5. So that was like one of my hands. How many do we need more? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that. How else can we show 9? What about a group of stars? I like drawing stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put a circle around that to show that it's one group of 9 things. What color was number 9 in number blocks? Did you say gray? You're right. He had 3, 3, and 3 when he was short. When he was tall, he had 9. So you can draw your number block either really tall or 3, 3, and 3 and give him his eyes and his hands. So I'm going to let you finish your 9 info sheet. Think about it. If you want to put out stickers or stamps, that would be awesome too, so that little learners can decide how to show their number 9. It's a great way for them to really think and show it in different ways. I might draw my fingers next. Who knows? Then this can go in your number book or on the number wall that you are making. All right. Have a beautiful, beautiful time creating your 9. Bye.